Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sashi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make that whoosh sound transition. Right now I have two cuts which are two different but kind of related. I want to move from first frame, first footage to second footage. So let's play it real quick. Right? Nothing interesting, nothing too crazy, right? I want to make a transition here, smooth zooming in transition, and I also want to add a whoosh, the wind whoosh transition sound. All right, so let's go to YouTube's audio library and go to create, and then audio library, and go to sound effects tab, and then you can look up whoosh. This is a way for you to download this sound effect first of all. So you need to do that if you haven't done that. You can play, right? Once you download it, go back here, and back here, you want to add this one here. You can increase the audio sound here because it's a little small, right? Good. The next step is to add a transition. Slide in transition. Let's try that. So what we have here is let's do a slide in, zoom in. All right. So zoom in here, and what it's gonna look like here right now. Close this tab. It's like this. Oops. Play. Whoosh. That's it, guys. That's an easy peasy way for you to make a whoosh transition, which is really interesting and dynamic, right? That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial useful and helpful, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below what kind of tutorials you want me to do in next video. All right, so I will see you guys in next video. Bye bye.
Love is a wild card, folding is the heart.